Okay, so first we are going to do the lab. Means packet flow. Let me check still it is reachable or not. Let me simple right now. Actually, I started just the lab. It will take some time. IP is reachable now. Let's check. Ping 192.168. 29.201. The IP is reachable. It will take some time. Then after that, we can log in on the SD-WAN. Yeah. So first, I'm going to explain you the T-log. Do you know about what is the T-log? Do you know, guys, what is the T-log? T-log
No.
is stand for transport locator. T-log is stand for the transport locator. How many attributes are there under the T-log, guys? There is 3 attributes. First one is system IP.
System IP.
Second one is
Encapsulation.
encapsulation.
Third one is color.
By default, encapsulation is IPsec. System IP. And then after that, third one is
Color.
color. Okay. Route between the V edges and V smart will exchange by the routing protocol, which is OMP. Which protocol is there, guys?
OMP.
OMP stands for the overlay management protocol. Okay. Default AD value is 250. Okay, so between the V edges and V smart, that will be exchanged by which protocol? OMP protocol. Got it? So control plane means routing part. Route will exchange or will manage by the V smart. Okay. Which protocol is there, guys? OMP protocol between the V edges and V smart, and that will be route will be basically exchanged by the V smart. You can compare with V smart can compare with the route reflector. V smart work as a route reflector. Like in BGP. Got it? So just try to understand what will be happen. If high level diagram, if you are going guys and trying to understand, this is your V smart. Okay. And these are the transporter, MPLS, Bridge Internet. All right. MPLS and Bridge Internet. There is V edges. This is VH1, VH2, VH3. Got it? Hello?
Yes.
So this is your physical diagram. And there is service VPN, right? Behind this VHS. Got it? This is the service VPN. Are you asking something?
No.
This is the service VPN. So what is the high level diagram? Just trying to understand, guys. This is B smart. Okay. Between the B smart and B edges, there is a routing protocol. Which one is working? That is OMP. Got it? So whatever the route is there, suppose there is a route 10.0.0.0/8. Here the route is 20.0.0.0/8. How this route is going to reach here and how this route is going to reach here, that V edge, between these V edges, the route is not going to exchange directly. You are getting the point? Hello? Between these V edges, the route is not going to exchange directly. Route will always, this V edge also will set the route to the B smart. Okay. And B smart will also will share the route to the VH2. And VH2 will also share the route to the B smart, and B smart will share the route to the VH1. Got it?
So it is for the first time, or it will send a periodic update or
Route will always exchange by the baseline. Just like, think about that, in BGP there is a route reflector. In BGP route reflector, what will happen? How it is going to exchange? Okay, just forget about the route reflector. You know about the OSPF DR and BDR? Do you know? Hello?
So
Your voice is not clear, Vijay. I get clear.
And now it is better.
Yes. Hello?
So it is for the first time, or it will send
Your voice is
periodic
breaking. Your voice is not clear, right?
Okay.
Vijay, what I'm telling, route will means control plane traffic. If you're talking the control plane traffic, that will be always managed by the B smart. That will never happen. That will never happen. Means two BHs are going to exchange the route directly to each other. Data plane that will be exchanged by the VHs, between the VHs, it will be exchanged directly through the IPsec tunnel. You are getting the point. But control plane traffic will never exchange by the VHs, between the VHs directly. No issue, Anil. If you have any question, you can just drop a message in the chat. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'm getting a call. Hello. Yeah, Vijay. Are you able to hear, guys? At least one person should be here now who can communicate with me. Otherwise, this class will be like a recorded session. Vijay, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can able to hear you.
Yeah, Vijay. Now can you ask? You can ask the question.
So I asked a question. So the control plane traffic every time you told that traffic will go via uh, Smart, right?
Not traffic. I'm just talking about the control plane route.
Mm.
But
Yeah, route.
routing only will exchange by the base part.
So it is for the first time, or there will be any like every intermediate update? It has any periodic update? It will
No,
be.
if there is any changes in the routing table, that OMP will take care. OMP will forward the update to the vSmart, and vSmart will further update to the VHS. Hello,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
got it? Just like think about
Mm.
that in BGP route reflector concept,
Yes.
in the route, what is the use of the route reflector? Rahul, are you there?
Yes, Pradeep.
Yes, Rahul. So do you know about the route reflector concept in BGP? Rahul, I'm asking with you. I don't know, guys, what is the issue. Only 2 or 3 guys is here. So suppose Anil have the mic issue, but still you guys not responding. So guys, just try to understand. Here the vSmart is just working as a route reflector. What will be happen? All the route is going to exchange by the vSmart only. Between the VHS and vSmart, there is a protocol that is known as OMP protocol. That it will be exchange the route between the VH and vSmart. Suppose there is a network 10.0.0. So what will be happen? VH will advertise to the vSmart, and then this vSmart will further advertise to the another VHS. Got it? So what will happen? Whatever the route is coming from the service VPN, that will be auto redistribute into the OMP. We don't need to do anything. But whatever the route is coming into the transport VPN, that means VPN 0, that is not going to redistribute into the OSPF by default. So we have to redistribute. So this is the reason, guys, in internal OSPF, what I did, I redistributed the OMP into the internal OSPF. But OSPF was not redistributed into the OMP. Got it? So route, which one is coming from the service VPN, that will be by default service VPN. Route which is coming from the service VPN by default will redistribute port into the OMP. Route which is coming under the VPN 0 or transport VPN has to be redistribute into the service VPN. Okay. So route which is coming under the coming from the service VPN, that will be by default will distribute into the OMP or into the transport VPN. That is not needed into the transport VPN. Got it? So route will be always exchanged by the vSmart, and the data plane, what will be happen between the V edges, create an IPsec tunnel and data plane will always exchange by the between the VH will create the IPsec tunnel, and the data plane will always exchange by the IPsec. To create the IPsec, a required information will exchange by the OMP protocol. Just try to understand what the OMP will do first. Once the neighborship will form between the V edges and vSmart, what the OMP will do? OMP will first extend the TLOC. Most of the people is called TLOC route, but it's not route, it's a TLOC. What will happen? Just try to understand. If between this V edge and vSmart, OMP neighborship is coming up. Which one is coming up? OMP neighborship. Are you getting the point, guys? Just like between two router, if EIGRP neighborship will come up, what will happen first?
Neighborship formed.
Once the neighborship will form, then after that they will extend that topology table, right?
Correct.
Similarly, here what will happen? Once the neighborship will up between the vSmart and VS, before going to extend the route, it will be extend the TLOC. What it will be extend? TLOC. Now this VS, I have suppose system IP 1.1.1.1 that I'm going to assign system IP manually, right? Hello?
Okay.
And this link is going to the MPLS. So encapsulation, what will be the encapsulation? That will be IPsec. And what will be the color?
Yeah, MPLS.
MPLS. Right? This is the first TLOC, right? Similarly, what will be the another TLOC? System IP will remain same. If I'm going to type it proper, so how many TLOC VH1 have? I'm talking about the VH1. If system IP is
1.1.1.
1 dot 1 dot 1 dot 1. Got it? So what will be the first TLOC? System IP. That is
100.1.
encapsulation. IPsec
IPsec.
and
Color.
color is
MPLS.
MPLS. That is the first TLOC.
Big internet.
Base internet, right? So there is two
Mm.
TLOC VH1 have.
Mm.
Got it? So what will be happen? Once it is going to form the neighbor shape, then this information is first going to exchange. Before going to exchange the route, you are getting the point. This information will be reached to the base mark. Right? How, what is the reachability to reach this TLOC? So there will be a public IP and suppose there the private IP, what we have assigned. In our case, 192.168, I believe 1.1 or 10. What is the IP address?
It is one.
The MPLS and VH.
1.
11, right?
1. 1 it is.
11. It's 11, you can see here, no? 11.1. Right?
Yes, sir, it is 10.1. Mm-hmm. Yes.
So I'm just taking the example so that we remember. So it's a either for the example, I can take any one of the IP, but if we are going to use this one, then it will be easy to understand, right? 11.1. And suppose here the public IP is 2.0.0.1. Suppose,
0.1.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So here only not TLOC is going to exchange. With the TLOC, it is going to exchange something else also. What is it going to exchange? What is the private IP? Right now, my private and public IP both will be same because if I'm not performing anywhere NAT, right?
Mm-hmm.
168 11.1. What is the public IP? That is also
Public IP.
sorry 2.0. Sorry, same 192.168.11.1. This is the public and private IP addresses, right? And for this TLOC, what is the private IP? That is, and what is the public IP? That is also 2.0 because if I'm not performing anywhere the NAT, right? So if you know the IPsec tunnel to form the IPsec tunnel, what are the requirement, guys? Private and public IP. And then after that, there is two phases in the IPsec, right? If you know.
Phase 1,
Then
phase
get
2.
you a nil noted IP. Okay, so there is two phases in IPsec. If you know, guys, phase 1.
Phase 2.
What is the purpose of the phase 1? To extend the keys, right? And what is the purpose of phase 2? to exchange the data. Got it?
Yes.
So for to exchange the data, we can use the different encryption algorithm, a hashing algorithm, right? And for phase one, we can use the different encryption algorithm and hashing algorithm. Got it?
Hashing algorithm.
So
Mhm.
phase one is completely taken care by the OMP. That we don't need to worry. For the phase two, what are the encryption algorithm? What is the hashing algorithm? That is going to that will be also exchanged by the OMP here now. So if I'm going to log in on the BSmart right now, what's the access? Let me log in on the BSmart. And I'm just going to execute the command show tlog. So OMP tlogs. So what is my VH1? VH1 IP system IP is, guys, do you remember?
Yes, it is 123 1.1.1.
No, that is for CSR, I believe.
CSP is 125.
Okay, then fine. So you can see here now. 123 dot, that is my first tlog, right?
Mm.
This tlog is received from here. What is the encryption algorithm?
SHA-1
This all the
HMAC.
information is there, right? Hello.
Mm.
What is the private IP and what is the public IP?
192.
All
Both
the
are same.
information are there.
Mm.
So first of all, what will happen? Tlog will exchange. That will be exchanged by the BSmart, between the BSmart and VHS. That is another tlog for the same device, right? How many tlogs is there? There is 2 tlogs. Got it?
Mm.
Same information is there. So phase one is already, that is taken care by the OMP, and for the phase two, this is my hashing algorithm, and this is my encryption algorithm. Got it? Hello?
Yes, got it.
So what will be happen? Then after that, first will be exchange the tlog. Then after that, what will be happen? Whatever the route is going to exchange, the next hop will be the tlog. What will be there? The next hop will be the
Log.
yes, Neil. Right now, the public and private IP are same in the config because of we are not performing anywhere the NAT. If the NATing is there in the second lab, I will perform the NAT. In that case, public and private IP will change. Public IP will be the netted IP and the private IP will be the LAN side IP. Okay. So in the second lab, there I will perform the NATing also. So what will be general happen in the routing protocol if you are going to use the EIGRP or OSPF or BGP? Suppose I'm talking about the EIGRP or BGP. BGP I'm just going to discuss. There is R1 and R2. Between both there is eBGP peering. AS number is there 10 and there is AS number 20. Got it? Here the IP address is 12.0.0.1 and here is the IP address 12.0.0.2. And behind there is 10.0.0.0/8 and behind the R2 20.0.0.0/8. Got it? Suppose between the R1 and R2 they are going to extend the route between the BGP. So R1 will send there the update message, right? In update message there is a field called NLRI, right? Network layer reachability information. Got it? NLRI. Network layer reachability
Confirmation.
So what will happen if there is a network 10.0.0.0 slash 8? This is the network. What will be the next hop IP to advertise to R2? What it will be
Stop
advertised the
this.
next hop?
12.0.0.2.
No, their own IP address it will be advertised as a next hop, right?
Mhm.
This information, rest all the attribute I'm not going to mention here because of we are not going to learn the BGP. But my point is that once it will be advertised, the next hop IP it will be advertised their own IP address. So that what will happen, R2 will receive this route from the R1. So R2 will add this route and the next hop IP will keep it 12.0.0.1.
0.0.0.1.
Got it? So
Mhm.
in the normal routing protocol, if you are going to use, guys, the next hop, what will be the next hop? Next will be hop will be an IP address, right?
Mhm.
That will be an IP address in the normal routing protocol. But in OMP, what will be happen? If there is a network 10.0.0, so VH1 is going to advertise to whom? To BSMA. Got it? Hello?
Yes, please, man.
So what will happen? There will be a 10.0.0 that is the subnet. 10.0.0 that is the subnet, and instead of the next hop, there will be a TLOC information. TLOC 1 and 10.0.0 it is coming from the TLOC.
Yeah, two.
You are getting the point. So there is two TLOCs. Got it? It is coming from this one and this one. If you are going to see now on the B smart, so there is a command. You can see it is coming from the two TLOCs. TLOC, you got it right? And then so IP route BPN 0, BPN 100, sorry. And just a minute, guys. BPN 100 is not there. Route. Coming, but not coming tabular format. So 20 route. Here first you can see. So these are the OMP peers, right? And so OMP route, OMP summary. Summary. It is showing, but it is not showing in the tabular format. But I will show you again. I will show you on the BS. OMP route from the BPN 100. Which one is coming? From which TLOC?
Log.
Let me do one thing. Let me log in on any one of the VS. There will be getting the properly. So OMP route VPN. Here also it is. So see here now the same route. It is coming from. There is any next hop IP is mentioned, guys? No.
No.
What is mentioned? T-lock IP. Color is
MPLS and
encapsulation. And the same route again it is coming from where?
Internet.
Presented. Got it. So between what is happening between this B edges, the route is going to exchange, and what is happening in between there is IPsec tunnel is going to form. You are getting the point. So how it is going to work between the B smart first with the OMP? What is going to exchange? First it is going to exchange the T-lock. It's a phase one you can consider, right? Then after that, it is going to extend the route, and then instead of the next hop, it is going to keep it T-lock there. Are you getting the point? Hello?
Okay.
Okay. Then by default, ECMP is enabled. Suppose think about that. If this is going down, then between this B edges, still what should be happen? There is two paths. Because of this link is down from B smart, but here still it is up, right? If any one of the link is going down here now, then one path is going to lose. Got it? So by default, ECMP is enabled. ECMP means equal cost multiple path load balancing is enabled. So if I'm going to trace from here to here or here to here, got it? Or here to here, what should be happen? It should be do the load balance. Are you getting the point? And between them, it will be exchange the traffic directly. It is not traffic data plane is not going like that. Only the control plane is going to exchange by the B smart. So if any policy you are going to apply for the route filtering, so where will be applied? You will be apply on B smart. You are getting the point. This is the reason I'm explaining this part, because of policy always will be applied on B smart, control plane policy. Because of control plane policy, why you will be applying on the B smart, guys? Because of the control plane is controlling by the B smart only. Got it? So later we'll discuss that part, but just try to understand control plane is going to manage by the B smart. Got it? So if I'm going to just trace route, where what is my destination IP? Suppose any one of 41, 42, 32, or 33, right?
Mm.
172. Simulate. How many paths is there, guys? There is 2 paths. By default, it's doing the load balance. Even what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shut down this link. Okay. From the any one of the router, internet, G0 by 0. Interface G0 by 0. I'm just going to shut down it. Then after that, if I'm trying to simulate it, still how many paths is there?
Of course.
Yeah, but if any link is going down here, suppose I'm simulating this one, G0 by 4, I'm going to shut down. Interface G0 by 4, I'm just going to shut it. Then after that, it will be only use single path. It will be only from the
Now this is
MPLS.
MPLS.
Got it? If it is going coming up now, I believe it will take some time, but after that, it will be start both the. Got it? So if any one of the links, suppose I'm just going to shut down this one, G0 by 4. So for this VH, what should be happen? One T-lock should be removed. Got it?
Mm.
Right now for this VS3, what is for VS3? What is the router ID, guys? 123.1 was there, 2, and I believe 3 is there, right? You can check it on vSmart first.
I want on 3.3.3.
You can use so OMP summary. You'll be getting. So OMP T-lock path. 123. How many T-lock is there? 2, right?
2 T-lock.
If I'm going to shut down then after that still 2 is there,
Mm.
but it should be removed this one. Why it is taking time? Route, let me check on the VS. It will be on P. T-lock will take some time, but the route should be removed immediately. Let me check. So IP route VPN 100. For you can see here now. Only MPLS is there, so OMP T-lock path. T-lock is there, but route is changed, right? Hello? Can you see here now?
Yes.
Only
Mhm.
MPLS is there. Biz internet is
Not
not
there.
showing. If again I'm going to no set it, the timer I have to check, guys, how much time it will hold it. It will be also gone, means it will be also removed, but after some time I believe. So what is the exact timer to remove it? I will check and I will update you tomorrow, guys. Okay. But the route is going immediately. It's going to remove immediately. Now on the VH1, if I'm going to check, then you can see here now immediately we are getting the both one. Got it?
Mhm.
So up to this point, do you have any question? Hello?
No.
No. So what we need to do, guys, suppose all the traffic is going via the MPLS and big internet, it's doing the load balance. So it will not, suppose it's not required. Suppose your requirement is your all the private traffic should be go via MPLS, like Telnet, SSH. These all the traffic should be go via MPLS,
Okay, let's.
HTTP, chat. Okay. HTTP traffic, chat traffic, HTTPS, these all the traffic should be, that means all the internet traffic, chat traffic should be go via the internet. Got it? If internet is getting failed, then all the traffic should be shifted on MPLS. If MPLS is getting
MPLS.
failed, then all the traffic should be shifted on internet.
Internet.
Got it? So that you suppose every company is not going to take the lease line for the internet. For the internet, he is going to take a broadband connection, and for the MPLS, he's just taking a lease line, right? So broadband connection also we can use if you have the public IP, means static IP. Got it? So that we can do, that means packet flow we can change according to our requirement. That is known as basically application aware routing and deep packet inspection, DP. That we can do through the policy. Got it?
Mhm.
But as I told you, the policy will be always apply on where? On
Smart.
BSmart. So first of all, BSmart should be managed by the vManage. Got it? Otherwise, if you are going to apply the policy on the BSmart, you can't be apply. You'll be get a message. Your BSmart is not managed by the vManage. Right now, BSmart is,
Come again on the point, sir.
just try to understand.
We manage. Mm-hmm.
Policy will be applied on where? BSmart, right?
Smart. Mm.
So vSmart should be also managed by vManage. Then
We
only we can
manage.
apply the policy, push the policy on vSmart. Right? Like these V edges are right now managed by the vManage.
We manage.
So if you remember in the beginning what we did, we configured the skinny configuration on the V edges, and once
Mm.
the reachability was there, then after that we registered the V edges on the vManage, and after that we push the template to this V edges from the vManage, right?
We manage. Mhm.
So right now this device is completely managed by the vManage. If I'm trying to change anything from the CLI on the VH1, I can't be do that. I will get an error message. Suppose on the VH1, I'm just going to change, trying to shut down this interface, G0 by 0. Okay. You can see here what I will get the message. What was the interface? E0 by 0, right? So I'm just trying to VPN 0. interface GE0 by, I'm just trying to set it. And I'm trying to use the commit command. What I'm getting the message? No, sorry, it's an invalid interface. Interface is GE0 by 0. Right? Set it and read it. What do meaning, what is your understanding, guys, from this line?
This device is being managed by vManage and config through CLI is not allowed. So this
That
device
means,
is managed by vManage, so we can't able to change anything on the local CLI
got
of
it,
the
got it.
device.
So when it was managed, when we attach this device from the, what we did, first we did the skinny configuration on this one, right? After the skinny configuration, what I did, I installed the root certificate here now. Got it? After that, I registered on vManage. So once you have registered on vManage, still this device is not managed by the vManage. Got it? When I created the feature template, I created the
Device template.
device template, and then after that, I attached this device with the device template. Got it? So once the config was pushed from the vManage through the device template, then after that, this VH is managed by the vManage.
Manage.
Right now, this VH is managed by from the vManage. So do remember, after skinny configuration, still what we did, we configure all the things again from the vManage through GUI. Got it? Because of the complete configuration we pushed from the vManage. Got it? Hello? So right now, this device, and this device, and this one, these all the 4 devices are managed by the vManage. But tell me one thing. Right now, this vSmart is managed by the vManage.
Yes.
No. On the vSmart only we did the skinny configuration, right? We did through the CLI. This vSmart is right now independent. It is not managed by the vManage. You are getting the point.
Okay.
Right now, this vSmart is not managed by the vManage. So if it is not managed by the vManage, then we can't apply the policy on the vSmart. Once you are going to apply the policy on the vSmart, you will get an error. This vSmart is not managed by the vManage, so you can't apply the policy there. Got it?
Okay.
So what we have to do? We have to create the feature template also for the vSmart and device template also for the vSmart. And then after that, we need to attach the device template with this vSmart. Then after that, only we can apply the policy. Are you okay with this? You got the point? Similarly, what we did for the V edges, that we have to do it for vSmart. Got it? But on the vSmart, how many template I need to create? Just try to understand. We need to create the BPN 0, BPN. Under the BPN 512, how many interfaces there? Only one interface. Under the BPN 0, how many interfaces there? Only one interface, right? Then system, and then banner. And then after that, we need to create the device template, and we need to call this one. Got it? How many templates are required? One template for this one template for this one, one for VPN 0, one for VPN 512. That means 4 template, these 2 template, total 6 template we have to create. We are not using here the OSPF, we are not using any service VPN, so that is not needed. Got it? Hello?
It is 5, right? Not 6.
2 and 4. System banner 2, VPN 512, VPN 50. 4. Under the VPN 0, there is one interface ETH1. Under the VPN 512, there is one interface ETH0. So that is total 6 template we need to create. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create the 6 template, and then after that I will create one device template, and then I will attach this vSmart with that device template. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Then we can only apply the policies. Are you okay with this?
Okay.
So let me go into the template. Feature for which one? For vSmart. vSmart system. Only one vSmart we have right now. Time zone. Global. Could be Asia.
The second one.
Asia Kolkata. Description, we don't need to mention. There is location and all that not be. Default, save it. Then after that, again for vSmart, banner, it's a single, so I just going to make it global. I'm just going to mention SD-WAN vSmart. Just a message, you can put anything. Then for vSmart, there is interface. Smart VPN 0 int ETH1, right? Global, no. Interface name, ETH1, description. It's a single device, so connected with. It's a transport VPN, I'm just mentioning now. IP static device. What is the IP address? Just let me see. 201.1.1.2. Plus IPv6 that we are not going to configure. Is it tunnel interface? Yes. Color you can leave it default. Allow service. All. SSH. Netconf. Everything. Then be smart. The same one, I can copy it. VPN 5.2 is 0. Then add it. What will change? ETH0. It's a management VPN. What will be the IP address, guys?
+0 IP address.
203, right? No, sorry, 202. So it should be 192.
192. 158.29.202. 524.
Tunnel interface is off. Got it? Now it's created. Now after that, I need to create for the BSmart. VPN. BSmart. VPN 0. Choose VPN 0. What is this? This is my transport VPN. One default route I need to add, right? So 0.0.0 /0. Add next hop. Add. It should be 201.
Is this towards 14 is
There is the IP address 14. So for this BSmart, this will be a default gateway, right?
yes.
Why I'm putting everything global? Because of there is single device, single BSmart that I'm going to configure, right? Right now, I need to create one more BSmart. VPN 0 was there. I'm just going to copy it. It's a VPN 5.2. Paste it. And then VPN 5.2. I need to add it. Should be VPN 5.2. It's my management VPN. And no default route. Update. Now I need to create a device template. Create. For which one? So here it should be show the VSmart.
Smart.
And
Smart.
VSmart device.
Template.
If you want to mention template, so you can mention the template also. vSmart VPN 0, there is one interface. ETH 1, VPN 5.2, there is only one interface. ETH
1.
0 it should be, right? And banner and well, SNMP is not going to configure. That's it. Created. Now I need to attach. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to attach only one vSmart is there. Attach it. What is the system IP? 1.1.1.2. What is the host name? Site ID, I believe I'm using 100, right?
Correct. It is 100.
I have already the vSmart login. Let me check. So running system. Site ID is 1.
No, but we use the site ID 1 for CSR side.
Sorry?
Can we go to the diagram?
Right now here I have configured the site ID 1. So I'm just going to use the same one. Okay, no worry.
No, but we used site ID 1 for the CSR router we used, right?
For this one we
Yeah.
use.
Yes, there we use site ID 1.
So if you are going to apply any policy on the site ID 1, that will not work. Okay, that part I will check it later. First, let me check pushed or not. Is in progress. Site ID. Believe. Site ID is option here now. Okay. It's pushed. Right now, this vSmart is managed by the vManage.
Managed.
Got it. Now, if you want to apply any policy, that we can do that. So any policy if you want to create, that policy we can create it on the vManage and we can push it on vSmart and that vSmart will apply for this VHS. Got it? Up to this point, guys, do you have any question? So if you're talking about this part we have done, this part also we have done, this or also we have done, this all are we have done, this is also we have done. I need to discuss this part. So I will start this configuration, configuring centralized policies, that I will start it from tomorrow. So most probably tomorrow and then next week, in the next 3 classes, I will finish this part. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
So these 2 part I will finish it by next week. Tomorrow I will finish this part somehow. And this part I will finish in the next week because for this one I have to prepare the lab too. So next week I will take it. In the next 2 sessions I will finish it. So easily we'll finish in the next 3 days. Okay. Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow. Tomorrow again we'll start from here.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Might be tomorrow. It will happen. The class will start either the 15, 20 minutes late. Otherwise, if it is, I will be reached on time, then I will be start on same time. Okay. Otherwise, it can be maximum 15 to 20 minutes late. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.